Okay, let's try this flowchart out. I was trying it before, but I actually got cut off because I can only record for 15 minutes at a time. Okay, so we start, and the program asks us for an input-output. It asks us to input 1. Okay, we input 1, which is our number. Says the number. Okay, the number is 1. We add 2 to the number, so we're at 3. Is the number greater than 9? Nope. So it loops back. Says the number, we're at 3. Adds 2, we're at 5. Is the number greater than 9? Nope. Goes back. Says the number, 5. Adds 2, we're at 7. Is it greater than 9? Nope. Goes back. Says the number, 7. Adds 2, we're at 9. Is 9 greater than 9? No, it is not. We loop back. Say the number, 9. Add 2, we're at 11. Is the number greater than 9? Yes, it is. We end. That's it. There we go. Successful. So if yours had a little error, try it out. If it has any errors, adjust it. Try it again. Make it work. Now, this is what I want you guys to now try for that peanut butter and jelly recipe I asked you to create. Adjust it so that it uses a flow chart. Make the steps so that it uses a flow chart. And then I'm actually going to ask you to submit a screenshot of your recipe. So put it on a blank sheet of paper, put your whole recipe in flowchart form, and then what I'm going to do is on Friday, I'm going to take some of your flowcharts. I might try to do all if I have enough materials, and take some of your flowcharts and actually act out the creation of the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And normally I would give you guys the sandwiches if you completed this, but what we'll do is I'll just give them to my family, and I'll owe you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for the next time I see you guys. If you are successful, only if you are successful. Okay. So what I want you to get out of this, just to wrap up, is that these flowcharts are very similar to actual code in terms of process. Start, that's when you initiate your code. Depending on the code, you might be starting a task, the kind of thing where it's like public static void main, things like that. Input is where a user is putting something in. Process is an action where it's running a command. Set motor value to X. Print ln, and then you print some characters. So those are all processes. There are so many different things that do processes. Then we have our decision. That's like our if. So if something is true, do this. Else, do this. We can also do if, else, if we can get all complicated with it. But this is essentially conditional. If, yes, else, do something else. And this right here is actually a loop. This is kind of like while the number is less than 9, go around. And we just loop and loop and loop. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you guys for another lesson on Friday.